So I went to Korea. Alright, scratch that. I didn't go to Korea. My friend went to Korea and she surprised me with some goodies on her way back, or from her trip rather. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I have in the bag. When she sent me these things, I was screaming like a child. Like, ah! So anyways, let's just get right into the video. My bag is here. In no particular order, I'm just gonna pick the things out. So we have this one. I have this burdak onion, stir fried noodles. This one here. I also have spicy, another ramyun. And if you watch K-drama, the famous banana milk in Korea. So yeah, I've got this one. I can't wait to try this one. And she also got me sheet masks, like avocado and chamomile. So we've got two types of sheet masks here, avocado and chamomile. I can't wait to try. I'm a fan of sheet masks. So another K-drama. If you watch K-drama, you know this one. Once you lick it, you just have energy and start doing your work or continue doing your work. So this features a lot in K-dramas. You know, when an actor or actress is working and they're feeling sleepy or tired, and then they take this one to keep them awake. I will try it. Let me see if it works. All right. I've got this honey butter. Oh, honey butter almondo. That's honey butter almond snack. I don't know what it's like, but I will try. Oh, I think I have an idea. And she got me Pringles. What else? What else is here? So this cute souvenir purse. Cute. So she got me these as well. And got me some chocolate, like Twix. Twix is in here. And she got me Spam. Spam bound. So yeah, can't wait. I think I like food. See here, the highlight of the show, of this whole thing, is the fact that she packed coffee. She knows I drink coffee. She knows I like coffee. And then she decided to bathe me with coffee. So there is Maxim here. Maxim white gold coffee. There is also mocha gold coffee. Hope you can see. Right? And there is also choco. See guys, I won't lie, I have already taken out of these, like I've drank how many sachets even before making this video, just because I'm a coffee drinker and I just can't resist. So yeah, this is basically all that is in my bag. Yeah, that is all that is in my bag. I'm so happy. Thank you, Maya. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking me to Korea virtually, and thanks for bringing Korea to me. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.